How to recover deleted photos, videos, or chats from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover your deleted photos, videos, or chats on Snapchat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Snapchat and head over to your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner. Now tap on your gear icon to open up your settings. Scroll down all the way until you find My Data and then just tap on it. Once you find My Data and open it up, you might have to log in if this is your first time opening it. And once you are logged in, you just want to go ahead and export your chats and media. So click on Export Your Memories, Chat Media, and Shared Stories. And now from here, go to Next. Select all of the necessary information and then tap on Next. Select the date range from if it's last month, last year, or 2 years. I'm just going to do last week and then tap on Submit. Now once the file is ready, you will be notified on your email and then you can download your data from there. And you'll find all of your deleted chats, files, and photos there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.